The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, heated seats, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning front, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.